The number one is he's God-fearing. I think it's important to find a spouse that's God-fearing. Less likely that he would cheat on you pagka talagang may paniniwala siya sa Diyos.
Yes.
He's a good father. He's very present in our lives. And parang number one talaga sa buhay niya kami, ng mga anak ko. Tsaka, I guess number three is he gives me balance. Kasi nga, medyo hyper si Ate Char, di ba?
Workaholic pa and everything.
Hyper at lahat-lahat. So, he gives me that balance na parang, Char, let's sit down.
He tames you down.
Oo,
just like my husband.
Di ba?
Yeah.
He takes time to really say, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay lang. Hindi kailangan lahat matapos today. And I'm like, oo nga naman. Okay. So, it's a good balance for me that JB is my spouse. Kasi kung hindi, baka tumatakbo na lang ako sa marathon my whole life. Yeah.
How do you keep a healthy and strong relationship?
Of course, we put God at the center of our lives.